Hello, book friends. Today I'll be reading B is for Brownies. It's an ABC baking book. How fun is that? Okay, well, let's practice our ABCs and make brownies while we're at it. Are you ready? Here we go. Baking brownies is fun. The alphabet is too. Both better with practice and simple to do. So we'll start with our first letter. A is for apron, tied around tight. There they go. They have their aprons on. They're getting ready to bake. B is for butter, melted just right. Whoa, there goes a butter stick. They're gonna melt the butter for the brownies. C is for chocolate, tasty and strong. D is for ding, the timer sweet song. E is for eggs, cracked in, stirred slick. F is for flour, whisked until thick. Oh, they're cracking the eggs. They're getting the flour in there and they're gonna whisk it nice and thick. G is for gooey, the batter now ready. H is for helpers, our hands pouring steady. There goes the batter that they mixed with the chocolate, the butter, the eggs, the flour. Oh, and they're putting it in the pan. I is for ingredients, so easy and so few. There go the ingredients. J is for joy, smiling, dancing, woohoo! They made some brownie batter. They are happy. K is for kind, like sharing our treats. L is for love. That makes them so sweet. Yes, when we bake with love, they come out even better. M is for messy. It's clean, let's clean as we go. N is for neat. Now I feel like a pro. They're cleaning. When we bake, it gets a little messy. Oh no, look at this one. There's chocolate on the cake, on the hat, on his apron, even on the floor. But you gotta help and clean up. O is for oven, opened only with a mitt. That's right, it's very hot. And there goes a mitt. Is a mitt wearing an apron? It is. That's so cute. P is for pan, ready to eat in a bit. Oh, they took out the brownies from the oven. They sprinkled them with little hearts. Q is for quick. This was easy and fun. R is for recipe. Can't believe that we're done. Oh, there goes a recipe card written down with the ingredients, the instructions, and the title. Beginner brownies. S is for sweet. It smells so great. Yes, when desserts come out of the oven, they smell so good. And you get to smell them, you go, T is for test. It's so hard to wait. U is for underbaked. They're still a little wet. Oh, yeah. Got to test it out and see if the batter cooked completely. They're testing it out with the toothpick and they're sticking it in. And if the toothpick comes out too wet, that means that they're underbaked. V is for very. That's how excited we get. We get very excited. So they were underbaked, so they put them back in the oven. This is the oven window right there, and they're all looking in, even the mitten. And that's the light. Oh, they gotta put them back in. W is for wait. It's quite hard to stop. X is for don't eat yet. They are too hot. Oh, so the brownie came out. But you have to wait. It has to cool down before we take a bite. Y is for yummy. Warm brownies are the best. Oh, they sure are. I have to agree. They're all eating. Look, they took a nice little chunk out. And they're all eating it. Oh, what about Mitten? Z is for time for little bakers to rest. Oh, and there goes Mitten, sleeping in the box of toothpicks. How cute. And it looks like it had a piece of brownie that they all helped to bake. And this little guy fell asleep with the spoon. Oh, so cute. Look at their slippers. Oh. They all baked brownies and we practiced our ABCs while we did it. That's the end of B is for brownies. Yay! Wasn't that a fun ABC book? We went from A to Z and saw the process of baking brownies. Yes! Maybe you can ask your grown-up to bake some brownies with you and then you get to eat them and even share them with your friends and family. Wouldn't that be fun? Baking brownies? And you can sing the ABCs while you're doing it. Wouldn't that be fun? Yeah, you should give it a try. Well, until next time, bye book friends.